To set a stop loss on Robinhood, start by opening the app and selecting the stock you want to set a stop loss for. Once you are on the stocks page, look for the trade button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, and you will see options for buying or selling the stock. Next, choose to sell the stock. In the order type, look for the option labeled Stop Loss. Here, you will need to enter the stop loss price. This is the price at which you want to sell the stock if it starts to decline. Make sure to set this price at a level that you are comfortable with, taking into consideration how much loss you are willing to accept. After entering the stop loss price, you will also have the option to select a duration for the order. You can choose between options like good till canceled or day only. If you want the order to continue until you decide to cancel it, select the first option. If you want it to apply only for the current trading day, select day only. Finally, review all the details of your order and confirm the sale. After you confirm, your stop loss order will be set, and it will automatically trigger if the stock hits your designated price. Make sure to regularly review your stock's performance and adjust your stop loss as necessary to stay aligned with your investment strategy.